Do you have growth qualities like Elon Musk to succeed in life? As you very well know who is Elon Musk. Today in this video we will talk about his top 5 most inspiring qualities that you must know. First of all, he is an INTJ entrepreneur, which means introversion, intuition, thinking and judgment. As he is an unemotional person and looks beyond what is visible, he happens to find a way to improve his surroundings. An INTJ personality type entrepreneur works for future improvement consciously and unconsciously. Secondly, never say die attitude. Elon Musk is exceptionally motivated and self-driven, and there is absolutely no doubt in it. Unlike any other ordinary man who would have given up, he displayed outright determination to continue and keep moving forward through all the disparities, even after 3 launch failure attempts of the SpaceX rocket. Even when the Tesla Motors failed to achieve the production deadline for its first Tesla Roadster, the company was near to bankruptcy, and one of the directors refused to fund anymore in the order to fail Elon Musk and take his position. But Elon Musk did not give up by this. He found the investors and fought back. He even put all his stakes on the mortgage to avoid the bankruptcy. Third, he believes in serial entrepreneurship. He continuously tried to invest in various companies and launch them, like PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla, etc. He made this on his own. We have also made a video on various companies by Elon Musk, in which few are upcoming and very least known by people. Fourth, Elon Musk has insane work ethics. He works 100 hours a week. His very popular saying is, if other people are putting in 40 hours in a week and you are putting in 100, you will achieve the target in 4 months, what it takes others a year to achieve. And fifth, he always aims for the bigger picture. Elon Musk has targeted exceedingly challenging obstacles that have been the cause of misery for mankind since the inception. He has selected 3 major areas, namely space, clean energy and the internet. Elon Musk wants to make a big difference in these 4 areas. He is ready to take big risks in each of these fields and has no particular short-term games in sight. So, if you really want to succeed in life, take a chance to give these qualities a chance in your trades and dream big.